How to make matcha. This simple, beginner-friendly tutorial will teach you everything there is to know about making the perfect cup of matcha. This video will walk you through recreating the most popular matcha drinks right in your own kitchen. Enjoy barista-quality matcha at a fraction of the cost in the comfort of your own home. You'll need a matcha set and matcha powder. To start, place your bamboo whisk into warm water. This will soften the bristles, ensuring that they don't break while whisking. Then take out your matcha bowl and sifter. Take approximately 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and place into the sifter. Using your bamboo scoop, carefully push the powder through the sifter to remove clumps. Now add approximately 70 milliliters of warm water. Take your pre-soaked bamboo whisk and begin whisking. Whisk vigorously until a frothy layer forms on the top. That's perfect. All done. It's time to pour it into a glass and enjoy. That's absolutely putrid. That can't be right. Add sweetener. That's still disgusting. Add more sweetener. People drink this crap? Try making a matcha latte instead. Add sweetener. Add strawberry. That matcha powder tastes terrible. Let's make our own. Try cover up the flavor of the matcha with strawberry. That's disgusting. That's more like it. That's perfect. Enjoy your barista-quality homemade matcha.